Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Sunday to you all. I told you I was gonna do curry chicken today, so let's get started.
Hi, everybody, and welcome back. As my husband said, today he's gonna show you guys some curry chicken, and he has a good recipe. So let's get started. Today we cut up a whole chicken, and he just washed it and prepped it and everything. And we got our vegetables here. This is a half an onion and about a fourth of bell pepper. Our seasonings today is gonna be the salt, and we're gonna use the mild curry powder. We're gonna use onion powder, salt-free seasoning, garlic powder, and black pepper. And we got a half a lime to do the chicken with.
Let's get started, guys. First of all, I'm gonna use a little lime to cut the rawness away from the chicken. It's very good. You can also use vinegar too, a little vinegar. That's enough. Now I'm gonna get my curry powder.
Show them the curry powder.
This is the curry powder.
Okay. And you can get that in your local supermarket, or you can order it on Amazon.
3 teaspoons for right now. I'm gonna add my salt. This is my salt, around a teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna add my onion powder. Around a small teaspoon of onion powder. I'm gonna add my free seasoned salt. Another.
It's not seasoned salt, it's salt-free seasoning.
Yes. And then my garlic powder. Everything is just like a small teaspoon. And then I'm gonna add my little black pepper, guys. And then I'm gonna add my onion and my bell pepper mix. Now, some person do the curry in a different way. Some of them put it in the oil and burn the curry, but it can be done both ways. So now I'm gonna mix it in. Mix it in properly. And I'm gonna add a little more curry to it. Another teaspoon, small teaspoon, and that's it. Now I'm gonna move away this from here, and now I'm gonna get my skillet. I'm just gonna use a little bit of oil just to grease my pot bottom. And now I'm gonna make the oil get hot.
About 2 tablespoons of oil.
just want to say to you guys, chicken can be done in so many ways. You can brown stew it. As you all know, you can fry it. You can jerk it. You can, in so many ways it can be done. Okay, this is all set and ready. Okay guys, now the skillet is hot. I'm gonna pour it in. Okay guys, I'm just gonna make it catch a little color. I like to let it catch a little color and then I overturn it like this. Let it remain like this, catching a little color. And now I'm gonna turn it again. Just like this, guys. And now I'm gonna put the pot cover on it and let it take time to cook. I'm gonna turn down the stove on it to around maybe 6 and let it sweat its own water and take time to cook for maybe the next 45 minutes.
We'll be back. Okay, we're back. We didn't add any water or anything. We was just let it put the lid on it and just let it sit and make its own water and everything. It's just right. Okay, we're back. Okay, the chicken cooked for about 45 minutes. After it cooked 15 minutes, we came back and stirred it and checked on it and everything. We never put any water in it. It brings its own water once you put the lid on it. And we had it cooking on 6 the whole time. And this is the finished product. This is curry chicken. This is what it looks like. It's got its own gravy and it cooked down. It's nice and tender. When you can eat this with rice, you can eat it with cabbage. Yeah. So that's your curry chicken recipe.
Now we're going to switch it off.
Very good. It's ready. We're just gonna turn it off.
And now put check on the right.
And we're cooking some rice as well. Gonna check on it. Okay, all we did was shred up some cabbage. Sorry, some carrots, and put in the rice. And just steam a little rice. This is what we'll have with our curry chicken. It just need a little more steaming. All right, we'll be back.
Welcome back, guys. It is time to pray and time to eat. Father, bless this Sunday, O God. Thank you for what you have provided for us. And as I'm about to devour it, Lord, we ask that your grace and mercy follow us throughout the day. In no other name but your Son, Jesus Christ, we pray. Amen.
Amen.
Well, guys, I'm ready to eat my curry chicken with a little white rice, with a little carrot and tomato and green bean. And let me give you some, guys. Good. This is the curry chicken. It's so tender and nice. Come, guys. This is it. I don't put a lot of gravy on my food, but the gravy is also good. It's sweaty on gravy. It's real good, y'all. Real good.
We want to thank you again for visiting our channel. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. And even if you make this dish, we just wish you the best and hope that your meal turn out really, really good. This is delicious food, and we just enjoy making it for you guys. So
Thanks for watching, guys. Have a happy Sunday.